Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making samosa, and for our samosa these are the ingredients we are going to be using for our filling. We have minced meat, that's the base of our filling today, and we also have egg, we have sesame oil, we also have carrots, we have some chili pepper, paprika and black pepper. We also have red and green bell pepper, we have white onion, we also have chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, some salt, we have vegetable oil for the deep frying, we also have soy sauce, and we have this Maggi liquid seasoning. Okay, I have most of my ingredients already prepped, so I'm just going to slice my carrots. I want tiny slices. I'll be chopping it into cubes. The quantity of the vegetable is determined by the quantity of meat you have. Your meat should be more than the vegetable. It should be 70-30. So ensure you don't have too much vegetable that's going to overpower the meat, and you might end up having vegetable samosa instead of minced beef samosa. I'll also be slicing my onion. Okay, next I'm going to be breaking our egg. I told you we have one raw egg, and ensure to watch to the end so you know what we'll be doing with the egg. We are done. It's now time to make our filling. To make our sauce, we'll heat up some vegetable oil in our pan, and then we'll go in with our minced meat. Fry this until it's golden brown. Just keep on stirring it in the pot. We're going to season the meat with some salt, some chili pepper, paprika, and black pepper. I will keep on stirring. Keep on frying until the water dries up. So our minced meat is well stir-fried. Can you see the water is all dried up? So our meat is ready. We're just going to transfer this into a bowl. Protect this out. In the same pan, I'm just going to add a little vegetable oil. Okay, we're going with some onion, and then I'm going with my carrots. Then I'm going with my bell pepper, and I'll be transferring my minced meat back. So I have a liquid seasoning. I'm using a teaspoon of this, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. So we'll allow this to simmer on a low heat for a few seconds, and our sauce is ready. We don't need to leave it on fire for a long time, so our veggies don't overcook. It's time to fill our samosa, and this is the samosa wrap we'll be using. In case you're wondering how to make samosa wrap, I'm going to attach the link of a video on how to make samosa and spring roll wraps in the description. So to make a wrap, we are going to cut this into 2 equal sizes, and we'll go ahead to fold this. To fold the last line, I'm going to be spreading some egg on it, and I'll just close it so that as well. Now set this aside. Next, we'll be transferring our minced beef and vegetables stir fry into our wrap. Okay, so after filling this with the meat, we are just going to fold this in. So use our butter to rub round and close. On both sides aside. We're going to do this repeatedly for all the wraps that we have. Okay, so we are done with the wrapping, and it's time to fry. We'll heat up some vegetable oil in a deep pan. Ensure you have enough vegetables into the deep frying, and also ensure your oil is hot before you put in your samosa. Our oil is hot, so I'm just going to dip this into the oil. I'm going to put too much at a time just so that all of them can have enough room to fry very well. So we're flipping each side brown, and we are just going to fry until it's golden brown. I'm going to bring this out so that it doesn't get burnt or over fried. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. Hey lovelies, we are done for the day. Our samosa is ready. I am so excited. Yes, because I'm going to have amazing finger food this evening. Let's see how the inside looks. Ooh, this looks so yummy. Looks so good. And I'm just going to go ahead to test this. It's really hot. This tastes good. Very good. It tastes amazing. Thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And also let me know if this is how you make your samosa or you've learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.